So we're in the secret location. I can't really disclose where, but there's a lot of crazy builds here. Look at this Prelude. H22 turbo. But like, I thought it was water cooler at one point, but I think that's the fuel cell or coolant tank. No, this is the coolant. That's the fuel cell. I'm not sure, but I don't know too much about this car, but supposedly it's like recycling oil like factory, how all the OEM cars are. Let's go G7Cs.
I got a little track map here.
Really nice. Oh. 86. Dude, this is a really nice color.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow.
This is a beautiful build.
Does this still run?
Well, I don't think right now.
Mm.
Probably no battery, right? It's been sitting for like what, last 3 years? It's like.
Dude, I feel like this thing's pretty fast, dude.
I think this thing was like 500.
500 and it's back in the day too. That's a lot.
Yeah, back in the day, a lot.
Yeah.
No E5, no nothing, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it is OG racing.
Dude, it has 2 blow-off valves. Like, why?
That's what I was wondering, because I was like...
Wait, is it twin turbo? No.
No, single.
What the
I was like, why
fuck?
is that 2 blow-off valves? That was the first thing I noticed. Too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a huge ass turbo.
There's like no space in there.
Yeah. I'm surprised your S15's not down here since it doesn't run.
It's got a trigger issue.
Yeah.
It's your X EF8?
Yeah. One of the injectors got stuck open.
SW388s.
And then they sent the injectors up.
Oh, you could, it has a jading bronze glass.
Yeah.
Oh, glass top.
Oh, the Jetta.
They're 1050s and
This is worth a lot.
they're really...
That's what I'm putting.
Whoa!
That's why
Oh yeah, this is boosted too. Can you pop the hood on this one? Or is it if you have the keys? Oh, twin blocks.
Yeah, that's what I...
Okay.
That's the first thing I noticed.
Yeah. Do you see all the gauges on the cluster? Or on the dash? There's like 10 gauges. Or like, yeah, 6 gauges.
Oh, what? It's like in the net.
Oh, wow. Dude, that's cramped, huh? That's crazy.
That's like real close.
Yeah.
I know, dude. I'm actually surprised it fit this in here. That... Hey, no, hold on. That's the good shit, though. That's the good shit. Yeah.
Yeah, this is built this back a long time ago actually.
Really?
Built this car.
A couple years ago?
Yeah, it's been just sitting here.
Damn. There's a lot of cool cars here. Ooh. I was thinking about getting those. The Inky GTC.
RS.
Yeah. Or Rs 05? Double Rs? Double R?
Or SO5 something.
Yeah. This is cool though. What kit is this? It looks...
Oh, this one?
Yeah, what kit is this?
This
Oh, I don't care about 350s.
This is the Inks kit.
Oh, Ings,
Yeah,
okay.
this is Inks kit.
RG1s.
I haven't seen this thing in like 10 years.
I know. That's Wayne's car.
Yeah, I
Right?
haven't seen that
Yeah.
in forever.
When's the last time this thing ran?
We ran it 2 weeks ago at
Oh, really?
track.
Oh,
yeah.
so it runs?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, the Jay's hood? Yeah, Jay's hood.
This is, we built this car for Jays because we're Jays Canada. That's why.
Oh, okay,
So we
okay.
built this car for Jays.
Cool.
And then we got this is one of our guys. This is EK.
Oh, that's clean.
Right?
J-Blood,
Yeah.
spoons. I don't, you know, like, the whole time, so I've been here for like a week and like almost a half.
Yeah.
I don't really see EKs, nothing.
Oh really?
I didn't see no EKs, Integras.
Yeah, on the road you don't see much EKs right now, right?
It's because EKs are like expensive and people only
I guess so, yeah.
People only drive them when they need to.
Yeah.
And they're good racks.
Yeah, he'll back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yo, it's real.
Yeah, it's real.
Nah, dude, I'm just kidding. Yeah. I wonder if they still sell these, like if they even have them in stock now still.
Actually, let me see.
Oh, like spoon end one too.
This one,
It's like a full spoon build, kind of. It should be open, right?
Oh, that's from the beers.
No. Oh shit. Oh, this is a Gen 1. Yeah, it's a Gen 1. Or Gen 2, I think. Yeah, I think this is a Gen 1 wing. This is easy like money now.
Yeah.
Cause the new ones, they don't fit good. Damn, you got the keys? Okay.
I
Keys, everything.
Oh, you know what?
You don't have to start. It's fine. We're at.
EK problems.
Oh, you need a vice grip?
Yeah.
No.
I know.
Man, never mind. I can't follow it.
No, I got you, Bob. Like, don't worry. I used to own EK. I got you.
He knows the tricks. Mine was. I had a vice grips of that.
Oh really?
Mine broke too.
Oh shit, it's too far back. Hold on, no, I got this, bro. Relax.
EK guys, they roll around with a vice grip.
No! Can't do it.
Can't do it, right?
I'm behind it too, that's why. It's not working.
Oh, you push him behind it too.
Yeah. Damn, I can't steal a Honda anymore. I'm just kidding. Damn. What's in I feel like it has a B series.
This one does not have a B series. It's a B16.
B16. Wait. This guy has to have a vice grip somewhere.
No, he doesn't. He just cleaned out his car. I know that.
Ah, you knew it.
Cleaned out his car.
Alright, we tried.
In the back.
Dude, these are money. This whole car. Ooh.
No, my wheels are in the shop.
Well, whose car is
It's
this?
mine.
Yeah, you need some wheels, dude.
I don't know. I have wheels. I have RE30s. I just got them refinished. But I don't drive this car right now.
Nothing's wrong with it, right?
No. It runs. Yeah, it runs.
Dude, what is this?
So,
oh,
okay, so we had a guy locally back in the day that used to make window visors. But you know, I don't like how window visors bulge out. I always want that sleek look to it. So that's why I got these from a guy, and he just made them for me.
dude, these are really fucking cool.
And they work. That's the thing.
You know what I like about them? They're flush with the actual
Yeah.
roof.
No, they work. I like them.
That's cool. I've never seen that. Right? That's actually cool. Like, it's flush, and you can open your window still, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Window, no air really gets in, like rain. You know.
Yeah.
Probably less wind noise too.
I don't even get wind noise.
Dude, this is a fat ass wing. Holy shit.
Passing out.
I know. I want the wheels though.
I want the car.
You want the car? Is it because the motor that's in it?
Everything.
What, TJ?
The kit, wheels, brakes, engine.
Vegan steering wheel. It's cool.
This is like
I really like this build.
old garage 5 build.
What, the SC300?
Yeah. So one of the guys at the shop just now had the garage 5
Yeah,
build.
that's old. He's one of the
Ish,
first
Kess,
guys to
intercooler.
do body in the
Yeah.
city.
This is like OG,
Oh.
early 2000s build.
I like the color too.
It's still like the same.
Garsons.
You don't need to do anything.
DC2 button.
This thing is like 800 horsepower, and then when we went to track, he had to detune it because it's too much.
Damn. This is Vertex kit?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It is, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you know more about it than we
And then
do.
the wide body is all metal wide body. It's not like fiberglass or anything.
Oh, even the fenders? Oh wait, you're talking the rear. Damn, that's crazy. Dude, these are like 20s. FC?
Yeah. That's our project car. We're doing a Turbo 2 build on this one.
Damn. And then a random Lotus.
No, this one we're building. So we're doing a supercharger kit, all carbon stuff. This car gonna be really nice.
I'm really
and fun.
hoping you're gonna say.
No, not keep playing. No.
Wait, I thought these came with the K, right? Or
No,
No, they swap the case.
Yeah, people swap
Oh, okay.
Because the stock motor is really like.
these. It's a what's it? Camry motor.
Yeah.
That's what it is. It's a Camry motor.
Camry?
Yeah. It's a Camry motor, like the 2.4 liter.
What the hell? That's weird. Oh wait, the Aero Atom comes with a K.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
These are worth a lot of money now too.
Yeah. So
probably here too.
So this guy owns all 4 of those cars. So the AEs, and then the Prelude, and then the S14.5. He owns all of those cars.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much did these go for now here?
Damn, you got the S2000 cluster.
Yeah. Wait, how much are these guys right now?
A lot.
Are they?
Dude.
They're like 20 at least.
Like a regular like SR5, right? Like a
Yeah.
like SR5.
You got the old school Nardi. Yeah, you integrated the push to start.
Yeah.
S1000 push to start.
Yeah.
I think the last time I seen one that ran with the F motor is John's car. Remember that red one that he had? The red 86?
That original one from Joey's year 11. Like
Was it the red one?
Yeah, it's that red one I thought.
I think it's the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just got it and he drove it down from North.
And then I think I think it was able to be smog legal too, because the immobilizer, everything worked. S2000 EC, everything. So it's like ready to get like legalized. All right, the fit. This is a cool storage spot.
Very low key.
Yeah. So they shipped it over to you guys?
Yeah. Hisaki, he's the president of Jace.
Yeah.
He shipped over for us for like marketing. We take it to track, stuff like that. Yeah. So we took it to the Ridge. It did pretty good.
Ooh, dude, this shit's cramped.
So when it was in Japan, it had ITBs on it. But because our gas here sucks, it's gonna be hard to tune. So we just put back the stock intake for this one.
I wonder if it's the same one, because when I was in Japan, he had the Jace fit. It might be the same one.
Yeah, because I was in Japan 2019.
I was in Japan,
But this,
I think 2017.
But this came 2020.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's probably the other one then.
Because there's
Wait.
two. So there's this one. This is the GT2 fit or GT3 fit, and then they have the new one now. Yeah.
Okay. Because I visited his shop, and then he took me to the back, but he said not to film anything back then. Yeah, but yeah, cool shop. Jace?
Nah,
This is
I
cool,
worked.
though.
I worked there for like a month.
Wait, why though? Just work on the cars?
Yeah, like I helped them set up cards for like their Super Tycoon. So it's 5-hour endurance race.
So you're the guy to go to, huh? Dude, are these 18s?
I don't want everybody coming to me.
Jace calipers? Are these 18s or 17s?
These are 17. So it's double reverse staggered.
Oh yeah,
So those 16s in
16s.
the back.
16, yeah.
Yeah, T-30.
17s.
Yeah, so these are the V's, huh?
Yeah.
Oh damn. You should do a delivery on your S15. Same thing. Will you be down? Yeah, Itasha?
You know, we have
This is
to
super
do
cute,
it.
huh?
Huh?
Oh, yeah, it's a turn down too.
Yeah, dude, it's scary, man. Because like there's no way in the back, so when you go to like a braking zone,
Wow.
the back one comes up and then it floats.
What the hell?
Wrong with that.
Yeah, if I remember, the owner sent to anime, that's why.
You know what? Ronald's gonna have to install a brake bias.
Is that the brake bias, or he's gonna get a ballast?
Yeah.
It's cool.
But if you want to keep the weight down, I would just go just do brake bias.
bias?
Yeah.
Damn, if I got a fit.
This is my favorite part of the car.
Dude, you know
What
what's
is?
funny? You know that's
What's
the
your favorite
OEM
part?
That's the OEM Honda part, right?
What the hell is this?
That's the OEM Honda part.
Nah, you're lying. So Honda sells this badge.
Honda sells bad. You can find on eBay.
What?
Yeah.
Isn't that some fucking
You know
like
what?
cartoon
I'm
like?
gonna pull it up because you don't.
How does the fact you want a badge? Want to get one for your car? What the hell? There's no way. I don't believe you right now.
No, you don't. That's why I'm gonna pull it up.
Pull it up and show us. That's cool.
I like how only one headlight deal.
No, it's
Oh, shoot, I just noticed that.
It's for what?
Oh, full carbon roof. That's cool. Oh, I like the switch panel.
Yeah.
Motec.
Because this is running Motec, what, the M400? So it's older technology.
Cool car. Sick ass fit.